Hi friends, this video shows how to open Google Play Store app and install apps and games. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to apps, go to see all apps. Go down, set show system apps. Then from this system apps, we need to select Google Play Store. Let me select Google Play Store. Select Google Play Store, then select open. See, now we are seeing Google Play Store. Here go to top. See, here you can see apps tab, games tab. From here you can select game or app, then install. See, we can also search. Okay, this way we can open Google Play Store and install apps. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.